Hello, priceless people. On today, I have a quick and easy lunch recipe. And of course, it's tasty. I thank you for stopping by today's video. To my loyal subscribers, welcome back and one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, by all means, introduce yourselves to me down in the comments below. I would love to meet and chat with you there. So it seems I always start off with peppers. Well, we tend to love peppers here on the Johnson Ranch. And today's recipe only has 6 ingredients. That's right, 6 ingredients. I'm using red peppers, yellow peppers, and orange peppers, grilled chicken, mozzarella cheese, and flour tortilla. While my peppers are sauteing, I'm simply going to dice up this grilled chicken. I'm almost done. and lunch is served. I hope you try this recipe. It's real tasty, simple, quick, and easy. And along with my tortillas, I'm having some cantaloupe. Well, the tea did clear up my skin and it helped to flatten my stomach. However, the cons are I couldn't leave home 2 to 3 hours in the morning upon waking up, and it did cramp my stomach severely. So that's my review. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Stay safe and stay blessed. And remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.